Fires can be very dangerous, and if they get out of control, accidents can happen. Having a proper safety measure in place is more than important. Most fire extinguishers are big and bulky, and sometimes we need protection in places that don't have the space required for those. And when there's a fire, we need to act fast. The Element E50 fire extinguisher is a quick, portable, and powerful way to help control or eliminate small fires in a hurry. These compact extinguishers are great for the car, on the trail, at home, and just about anywhere else. Or use one of the Element mounts for easy and custom storage. So let's say you're grilling. Things get a little bit out of control. The E50 is perfect for this job. You're going to take off the top cap, remove the base, that's where your striker is, and then you're going to have the black spot on top, and you're just going to strike and aim at the base of the flame. The Element E50 has a 50-second discharge, which is 5 times longer than a traditional 5-pound extinguisher bottle. This means it has 5 times more firefighting time. One of the best features of the Element is that it's eco-friendly, non-toxic, non-corrosive, and leaves no residue or mess. So it's safe to use on your classic cars, kitchen cabinets, off-road rigs, and even more. There's also no pressure when discharging, so it's ideal for oil and liquid fires. The Element E50 is a great addition to your overlanding setup, shop, or home protection. If you want to know more about the Element E50 fire extinguisher, check out our store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.